Oh, hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Jermaine. I'm just coming at you with a video for this afternoon's work. So let's take a look at what this is asking us to do. So we are in our slideshow and we're on slide number 15, okay? In slide number 15 is going to take you to a link. You click on it and this guy pops up here. Okay, so this guy pops up and it might have you say like log in through Google, and you're gonna click on that. You're gonna click your school account, and then it'll say this right here, like enter your first name and last name. It's gonna have your name in there already. Please make sure that you use your name because that's what I'm using to grade you. So you're just gonna keep it as like Eileen Jermaine or Sam B or Tiffany, Tiffany M. Let's move forward. And then you hit your go and let's get inside. Okay, so once we get inside, it says which expression here is equivalent to, so when you're looking at this guy here, it says which of these expressions is equivalent to 3 parentheses x minus 2. And we know that when we're looking at this, we have this example right here. It says we're going to use the distributive property. So down in this section right here, you're going to use your mouse or your trackpad or whatever you have to write out maybe some work that might help you. So if you come in here, we might say like 3 parentheses x minus 2. And then you might need to do a little bit of work and you might need to rewrite it down below. So that's what you need to do right now, is you need to take a minute and a half right now to say which one of these expressions here is equivalent. And then once you figure it out, you're going to hit submit for yourself. So I'm going to put a minute on the timer and we're going to get started, okay? Awesome, we're taking another 30 seconds for ourselves. Five more seconds. Okay, so once you go through and you're able to answer these questions here, you are going to, oh, Miss Jermaine is really struggling right here. And we are going to be able to select your answer here. So if you select an incorrect, so you select your answer, you hit submit. If you got the incorrect answer here, this video is going to pop up that really goes through and talks about the distributive property and what it means. So if you got it wrong, I want you to take a minute and watch this video for yourself and make a correction to your work. You can hit edit your response and it'll allow you to change your answer. Okay, so if you need to take another second to go through that video, you can hit pause. If not, I'm gonna move forward. Okay, so then it's the same thing that you need to do here, is you need to say which of these is equivalent to negative 2 parentheses x minus 5. Okay, and you're going to use the distributive property, boop-a-doop-a-doop, that image right here to help you out. Once you get your answer, you can click it and figure out and see if you got it wrong. So I'm going to give you 1 minute and you can get started. Awesome, number 23 seconds for you guys. Wonderful. Another 3, 2, and 1. So, same thing. You're going to select your answer, whatever it may be, and hit submit. If you got it wrong, your video is going to pop up again. It's the same review video. You can watch it again and give it another shot. And once you go through, and then you can edit your work, pick the new correct answer for yourself, and we will go from there. And then if you need a minute to go through and watch this video again or give it another try, you can pause it. If not, we're going to move forward. Okay? So now we have expressions with terms combined. So we have some expressions here, right? We have a 4a and a 3a. And we need to combine our like terms. So that means all of our, in this first example here, all of our a's are going to be combined. So we could say 4a plus 3a. Okay. And if I have 4a and I have a 3a, 4 plus 3 is going to get me 7a. So in this guy up here, we would want to write that solution of 7a, right? So then we can come here. Let me just try that again. Okay. You're going to go through now and you're going to use this pad down here to help you combine your like terms. So all your x's are going to be combined. All of your constants or numbers by themselves are going to be combined. I'm going to give you 2 working minutes right now to work on this guy here. Wonderful. We are taking 1 more working minute for ourselves. Another 35 seconds. Okay, so if we look at this guy here, we have a 3x and we have a 5x. If we combine those 5 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is going to combine to an 8x, and there is no other constant for this to combine with, so it's going to be a -1. Look at that. Crazy pants. Okay, so this one would be 8x minus 1, and then you're going to fill in your other answers here as well. I'm just going to throw some things in here just so you can see what happens. If you get it incorrect, it's going to give you a video on combining like terms. So if you got these last 2 incorrect, what I need you to do is I need you to go through this video, pause the video with me right now, go through the video and correct these 2 guys, and then we're going to move forward. If you got all 4 of them correct, awesome job, I'm so proud of you. Let's take a look at the next section then, okay? Okay, so now it says for each equation, find the value for x that makes the equation true. What number can you plug in for x to make it equal to 12? So you're gonna isolate or get that x by itself. So you're gonna use this trackpad down here. You're gonna use your trackpad and this little space down here to help you solve this equation. So if you have right here, we have x divided by 3 is equal to 12. What number, how do I isolate or get that x by itself? I want you to take 1 minute right now to solve this guy here. Put your answer in the box and check your work if you need to. Taking another 30 seconds for ourselves. Awesome, another 10 seconds. Okay, so if we remember back to what we did on Monday and today in class, we know that we need to get this x. When it says solve for, we need to get this x by itself. And the way that we do that is we need to do the inverse or the opposite operation. This is divide by 3. So each side we're going to have to multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. And if you need to, you can use this calculator up here to help you out. We're going to do 12 times 3. I mean, I have a feeling you guys should be able to do that, but in case you need it, it is right here. It's going to get me 36. So 36 cancel, these 3's cancel out, and we're left with just an x on the left side. So we're going to say x is equal to 36. Okay, check your work. If you got it correct, awesome job. If you didn't get it correct, this video is going to pop up down here, and it's going to show you how to use division, solving division equations using, so how to solve a one-step with the division. Okay, awesome. Let's take a look at the next piece here. So in the next couple, you're doing the same thing, but this one is a review of what we did today, where we have some 2 steps. First, you're probably going to have to undo that, move that constant over, and then isolate that x. So if we have, using this reverse PEMDAS right here, we have, oh, no, Mr. May, don't do that. 2x plus 3 is equal to 20. So we need to get that x by itself. The first way that we do that is by subtracting 3 from each side. We want to move that constant over first. Let me just get that guy out of the way. We're going to have 17 is equal to 2x. How do I get this x by itself? It's attached through multiplication, remember. So the way that we undo multiplication is with division. Very good. Nice job. And for this division here, I'm probably going to want to use this calculator of 17 divided by 2 gets me 8.5. So this is going to be equal to 8x is equal to 8.5. There we go. Awesome job, guys. So for this one, we would plug in this 8.5. Okay? Check your work. Check, check. Fantastic. Let's take a look. Okay, so now I want you to try this guy right here. This guy's a little bit tricky, but I think that you guys can give it a shot. I need you to pause the video, go through, find your solution. Remember, you might have a decimal there, so make sure that you throw it in as a decimal. And use this calculator if you need to. You're going to do this one, check your work. If you got it incorrect, watch the video, help yourself out, and then go back and give it another shot, okay? Next, same thing on this next one here. You want to isolate this x. So first you're going to undo that addition, move it over, do some division to get that x by itself, and then you're going to check your work, okay? Check your work. If you have it incorrect, give it another shot, okay? using the video to help you. Okay? Next one is similar again. We're going to have to do some, distribution, and get this x to be by itself. Okay? Get your solution, do your work out here, get your solution, check your answer. If you need help with that one, try it again. Okay? Now we're here, same thing again. We're two-step operation here. First, you need to move that constant, then you need to get that x isolated by itself. You're going to put your solution in, check your work. If you got it incorrect, watch the video to help you, and give it another shot, okay? Okay, next one here, okay? This one's a little bit trickier. It says x equals 2 is x equals to a solution to the equation, to the following equation. That means plug 2 in for x and are each side equal, yes or no? So you're going to take this equation right here and you're going to say -2 parentheses x minus 4 is equal to 4. So first we're going to need to distribute here. -2x, okay, -2 times -4 gets me a +8 is equal to 4. We need to get this x isolated, so we're going to do the opposite of add 8, which is subtract 8. You're right. Nice job. When we do that, we get a -4. I can check that using my calculator here. 4 minus 8 is equal to -4. And we're left with a -2x on the left side. Now we need to isolate this, so we're going to need to divide, because it's attached through multiplication, so we need to divide by -2, divide by -2. X is going to be equal to -4 divided by -2 gets me a +2. So is that equal? Yes, it is. Nice job. Very nice job. And hit submit. Nice, we're on fire. So then for the next one, you're going to do something very similar. Once again, you're going to solve for your x here, or plug 2 in for x and see, is it true, yes or no? You're going to use this scratch pad in the calculator to help you out. Okay, same thing here. Now this one's a little bit tricky because we have some decimals, but I think you can do it. You're going to grab this calculator right here. You're going to plug 2 in for your x, do that operation and see, are they equivalent, yes or no? Make sure you hit submit so that you can see if your answer is correct. Okay, then here we're going to do one last one where you're going to plug 2 in here. And you're going to see, is it true or is it not true? Yes or no? Put your answer in, hit submit, check your answer. Then the last thing we're going to have you do is checking in. Let's have some fun. Today, you got to show me your creative side. Writing a caption, you get to show me your creative side. So write a caption for the image to the left. Boom, right here. Have fun, be creative, but be school appropriate. Okay? So we have this last little bit right here. So you were pausing along the way and completing everything that you needed to. And our magic code phrase for today is, let me grab it. You're going to be very impressed, I promise, is a penguin. I have 2 little penguin guys. Penguin guy, penguin girl. Boop, 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 boop. It's fun because it's little hearts. I made it for Valentine's Day. Anyways, send me an email with the word penguins. Reach out if you need any help with any of this stuff today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Awesome job. Bye, guys.